Welcome. This is R. Premananda, Assistant Professor, Government Engineering College, Haveri. Okay. This is the subject what I am dealing with: information theory and coding. In that, here this class we are going to solve one problem on Markov-Mohs model. This is the diagram given, state diagram. In this diagram, we have to find the entropy of the each state. The entropy, and second sub question is to find the entropy of the source. Then G1, G2, G3, and then show that G1 greater than G2 greater than G3 greater than H. This is not G4, that is H. Okay. This is the T diagram that has been given. Okay. First we have to find. Okay. X, Y, Z are the three symbols. X, Y, Z are the three symbols. Initial state. Okay. Now, from the figure, we have to assume that. Here, assume. Okay. Assume. Okay, I'll keep this diagram here. Assume the probability of occurrence of one state, second, and the third is equal to 1 by 3. The question only it has been given. That is, assume P1 of P of 1, P of 2, P of 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Solution. We have to find the solution. Okay. Here, the T diagram representing the initial state. First state at the end of first symbol interval, and the second state at the end of second state interval shown in figure 1. From T diagram, the symbol x's can be generated either the following transitions. Okay. Xx, second extension you have to write. If in order to transmit the signal xx, see where I can get x. So this is the x. One possibility is moving from 1 to 1, again from 1 to 1. In this transition we got the x, again we got the x. Along with that, or another option is there to get that xx symbol. One is moving from 3 to 1 and again from 1 to 1. Okay, 3 to 1, look here, 3 to 1 I got the x, again 1 to 1 I got the x. Okay, this is the one combination, 3 to 1 and 1 to 1. Or another way is to find the x is 2 to 1 and again from 1 to 1. That is 2 to 1 again from 1 to 1. So 3 to 1 is what? That is x itself. 3 to 1 is x itself. Again 1 to 1 is x. 2 to 1 is x. Again 1 to 1 is x. Okay. So that the probability of occurrence of xx is, the probability of occurrence of xx is the probability of occurrence of xx is, okay, we will write that P of xx. P of x is equal to the probability of moving from 1 to 1 and again from 1 plus probability of moving from 3 to 1 again from 1 plus probability of moving from 2 to 1 and again from 1. So this is the probability of the occurrence of the xx. Okay. Then see this. First I have to write the probability of occurrence of P. So this is, we have given that P of 1 is equal to 1 by 3, P of 2 is equal to 1 by 3, and P of 3 is also is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, in this case, first you have to write the probability of 1 is there, probability of 1 is 1 by 3. and 1 to 1, what is the probability? That is 1 by 2, and again from 1 to 1, that is 1 by 2. Okay, we have got like this. Plus, first you have to write the probability of 3, that is 1 by 3, and 3 to 1, 3 to 1 is 1 by 4, and 1 to 1 is 1 by 2. See that 3 to 1 is 1 by 4, and 1 to 1 is 1 by 2. Okay, plus probability of 2 is 1 by 3, 2 to 1 is 1 by 4, and 1 to 1 is 1 by 2. Okay, you may look into this diagram. Okay, with this we write that 4 into 12, 1 by 12, plus 4 into 2 is 8, 8 means 1 by 24, plus 1 by 24, means that 24 is the LCM, 2 plus 1 plus 1, which becomes 4 by 24, that is nothing but 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is the probability of occurrence of XX. Okay, I will show another one. Okay, that XZ, in order to get the symbol XZ, to transmit the symbol XZ, what we have to do? We have to look here. This is the X, okay, and this is the Z. See the path X and Z, means that one path is 1 to 1 and then to 2, or another path. See this diagram. 2 to 1, 2 to 3 I got the X, and 3 to 2 I got the Z. So that 2 to 3 and again 3 to 2. Okay, another one. 2 to 1 I got the X, and 2 to 1 I got the X, and 1 to 2 I got the Z. So that these 2 to 1 and 1 to 2. These are the possible transition of getting the signal XX. Okay, getting the signal XX. So that we have to find that called probability of XZ can be written as this: probability of 1, 1 to 1 and 1 to 2, plus probability of 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 2, plus the probability of 2, 2 to 1 and 1 to 2. Okay, this is the path. So probability of 1 is 1 by 3. The 1 to 1. See in this diagram you see that other than the for the same only we got the 1 by 2. See 2 to 2 itself we got 1 by 2, and 3 to 3 1 by 2. Other than all are 1 by 4. Okay. So that 1 to 1 means 1 by 2. 1 to 2 means 1 by 4, plus probability of 2 means it's 3. 2 to 3 is 1 by 4. 3 to 2 is 1 by 4, plus probability of okay, this is wrong. This one is wrong. And second, see here, I have taken 2 to 3 and 3 to 2. See 2 to 3 is Z, whereas 3 to 2 is Y. Actually what I need is XZ, so that this is wrong. Okay, I rewrite this one. For XZ, that is 1 to for XZ see that one path is 1 to 1 and then to 2. So 1 to 1 and then to 2, or we got another path. This is X, 3 to 1 and 1 to 2, 3 to 1 and 1 to 2, or another path 2 to 1 and 1 to 2, 2 to 1 and 1 to 2. See that cross check the probability of occurrence of 1, the probability of occurrence of 3, and probability of occurrence of 2. Means every time it should be 1, 2, 3 should be there. If it is not coming, you are gone with some wrong. So you will write probability of 1 to 1, then to 2, plus probability of 3 to 1 and then to 2, plus probability of 2 to 1 and then to 2. Okay. So the probability of 1 is 1 by 3, 1 to 1, 1 to 1 is 1 by 2, and 1 to 2 is 1 by 4, plus probability of 3 is 1 by 3, 3 to 1 is 1 by 4, 1 to 2 is also 1 by 4, plus probability of 2 is 1 by 3, and 2 to 1 is 1 by 4, and 1 to 2 is also 1 by 4. Okay. See, in the diagram, 1 to 1 transition is 1 by 2, 2 to 2 transition is 1 by 2, 3 to 3 transition is 1 by 2. Other than that, it is all 1 by 4. Okay. Other than that, this is all 1 by 4. Okay. See that 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3, 24. So this is 1 by 24 plus 16, 16, that is 1 by 48 plus 1 by 48. This becomes 4 by 48. 4 by 48, this is nothing but 1 by 12. The probability of occurrence of xz is 1 by 12. Okay. Similarly, I will solve another one. Okay, and then I will generalize. That is, assume that xx is over, xz is over, and xy. We'll how to get the xy. Okay. Go through this. How to get the xy. Okay. See, in order to get the xy, see, this is x and this is y. So one path is this one. One path is 1 to 1 and 1 to 3. That is going to get xy. Another one is, see, 3 to 1 and 1 to 3. You are going to get x and y. See the arrow mark, 3 to 1 and 1 to 3, xy. And here 2 to 3 is x. Okay, you won't get. Okay, 2 to 1 is x and 1 to 3 is y. Okay, 2 to 1 is x, 1 to 3 is y. Okay, I'll write that. That is, directly write the probability of occurrence of x and y. The probability of occurrence of x and y, okay, is equal to the probability, and the transition is 1 to 1, that is x, and then to 3, plus probability that is 2 to 1, that is x, 2 to 1 is x, and 1 to 3 is y. See, this is x, whereas this is y. This is x, this transition is y. Plus probability of 3 to 1 and then to 3. Probability of 3 to 1, 3 to 1 is x and 1 to 3 is y. Okay. So that first probability of 1 is 1 by 3. For transition 1 to 1 is 1 by 2. For transition 1 to 3 is 1 by 4. Plus probability of 2, that is 1 by 3. 2 to 1 is 1 by 4. And 1 to 3 is also 1 by 4. Plus probability of 3 is 1 by 3. And 3 to 1 is 1 by 4. And 1 to 3 is also 1 by 4. This becomes 8 into 3, 24, 1 by 24, 4 into 4, 16 into 3, 48, 1 by 48 plus 1 by 48. This is nothing but the denominator 48 is the LCM. 2, yeah, since it is 24 is here, So it is 1 by 24 is there, so that 2 plus 1 by 48 is there, so 1 plus 1, so it is 4 by 48, that is 1 by 12. The probability of occurrence of xy is 1 by 12. Okay, this is the steps how we should solve. Okay. Okay. Okay, while solving this, you get the probability of occurrence of x is 1 by 6, z is xz is 1 by 12, xy is 1 by 12, zx is 1 by 12, zz is 1 by 6, zy is 1 by 12, yx is 1 by 12, yz is 1 by 12, and yyb is 1 by 6. See that the probability of occurrence of the same in this problem is same, that is 1 by 6. Okay. Okay. And if you want, this is the x, y, z are the symbols. Okay, if I transmit the symbols x, y, z, okay, that is only x, y, z. If I want to transmit the second extension, then it becomes xx, this is second extension, xz, xy, zx, zz, zy. In the previous class I said that first I transmit the symbols, that is x, y and z. Later, if I want to transmit the first extension, or directly can call it as a source, for second extension it will be 3 to the power of n. Okay, formula for n is equal to 1 means first extension, n is equal to 2 means the second extension, that is 9 symbol will occur. Okay, the combination is xx, xy, xz, zx, zy, zz, yx, yy and yz, the 9 combinations. Okay, if a third extension, okay, if I transmit these symbols again, third extension, that we will have 3 to the power of 3, that is becomes 27, that is x x x, x x y, x y x, okay, and x y z, okay, so on up to z z z. 27 symbols will occur. In first extension only 3 symbols I am transmitting. I transmit either x, y or z. In second extension, the combination of xx or xy, any of these 3 combinations which will be having the 9 symbols will occur. For third extension, the 27 symbols will going to occur. See, with this concept, if you want to find the probability of the transmitting signal, it takes complicated, because some tedious method, okay, whatever you using, the tedious method, go every time go to the state diagram and have that. For this, your tree diagram is there, which would be very helpful to solve. Tree diagram which would be very helpful to solve. Okay, I'll keep this aside. Okay, you'll have that one. First I write the diagram, then okay, this is the tree diagram, the state diagram given problem. Okay, first what we supposed to do is, okay, okay, here I write 1, I'll write the 1. Okay, see where all it is connected. 1 is connected. 1 is connected to 1 itself. 1 is connected to 1 itself. Again 1 is connected to 2. 1 is connected to 2. And 1 is connected to 3. 1 is connected to 3. Okay. The you'll write the P of 1 is equal to 1 by 3. And here the 1 is having that x. So 1 to 1 is x. Okay, 1 to 2 is z. 1 to 3 is y. With values What is the value of x 1 to 1? That is 1 by 2. And 1 to 2, that is 1 by 4. And 1 to 3, that is also 1 by 4. At the end of this, see this first symbol, this is the second extension, this is second extension. Means here I get the symbol xx. X is starting symbol and x. This is xz and this is xy. Then what the value? What are the values? Okay. What are the values of these symbols? See that it is 1 by 3 is here and transition probability is 1 by 2. So the value of xx is 1 by 6. Again 1 by 3 the probability, and xz, that is 1 by 3 into 1 by 4, xz probability is 1 by 12. And this xy, okay, with probability 1 by 3 into 1 by 4, that is also 1 by 12. Okay. Similarly, see how to, I need this space for the solving for the second extension. So I come down, I'll write here, and I'll write 2 is the starting point, and the probability of 2 is also 1 by 3. At 2, Z is the symbol which is supposed to be transmitted. Z is the symbol which we supposed to be transmitted. Okay, that this 2 as the link with 1, 2 as the link with 1, and this 2 as the link with itself, that is 2, and 2 as the link with 3. 2 as the link with 1 with the symbol x, 2 as the link with 2 with the symbol z, 2 as the link with 3 with the symbol y, and their values, this is 1 by 4. Look into the given diagram. 2 to 1 is the x with the value 1 by 4. 2 to 2 is z with the value 1 by 4, 1 by 2. 2 to 3, that is y with value, that is 1 by 4. So at the end of this first transition, here zx I get, here zz I get, here zy I get. So what is the value of zx? 1 by 3 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 12. Zz 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 6. And zy, that is 1 by 3 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 12. Okay, again it is not complete. I have the transition from the 1, transition from the 2, again I will have the transition from the 3. Transition from the 3, I write here. Okay, see this 3 as the link with the 1, 3 as the link with the 1, and 3 as the link with the 1 with the symbol x, that is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, 3 as the link with the 2, 3 as the link with the 2 with the symbol z, and its value is 1 by 4. And 3 as the link with itself, 3 as the link with itself, that is 3 with the symbol y, the value is 1 by 2. The probability of occurrence of 3 is 1 by 2, and 3 as the z, the symbol of the 3 is z. With this will be zx, that is equal to 1 by 4. Sorry, 1 by 4, 1 by 3 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 12. And zz, sorry, this problem, y with 1 by 2, 3 with 1 by 2, Okay, here don't want that, just have z. So this is y into x is 1 by 12, and this is y into z, and the value is 1 by 12, and y into y, the value is 1 by 6. Okay, see that just now we have solved, we have got here, we have written that the probability of occurrence of xx is 1 by 6, xz is 1 by 12, okay, xy is 1 by 12, and here we got, okay, look into that, we have got all the same values. Okay, we have got the same values. Okay, for the third extension. Okay, for the third extension, see this, what all here, you have to copy and paste here. That is 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. What is that? It is x, it is z, it is y. And their values 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. See, till now it was yx. Yx into this will get it as yxx. The third extension is yxx. Up to here it was 1 by 12. 1 by 12 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 24. 1 by 24. Okay. Now, see till here it is yx. Okay. Now yx, here it is z. Yx into y. See, up to here it was 1 by 12. 1 by 12 into 1 by 4, that is nothing but 1 by 48. Now 1 by 12 into 1 by 4, that is nothing but 1 by 48. Okay. This is third extension. If I got 3 symbols, means that is third extension. Similarly, this 2, see is what I have written here. You have to paste, copy and paste here. That is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Okay. See what is this? Here it is yz. Okay. See the before that, fill this. 2 to 1, that is x with the value 1 by 4. 2 to 2 is z with the value 1 by 2. 2 to 3 is y with value 1 by 4. Okay, with value 1 by 4. Okay. See here, at this point, it was yz. Yz. So yz into x, that is yzx. Yz into z, yzz. Yz into y, yzy. See earlier, at this point, the yz value is 1 by 12. 1 by 12 into 1 by 4, this is 1 by 48. 1 by 12 into 1 by 2, this is 1 by 24. 1 by 12 into 1 by 4, this is 1 by 48. Similarly, see 3. See this, whatever this you have to apply here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay. See that here 3 to 1 is x, 3 to 2 is z, 3 to 3 is y. And their values 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. See up to this point it is yy. Up to that point, that is yy. Okay, here we got x, yx, this is yz, yyy. See up to this point, the value is 1 by 6. The value of yy is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 24. 1 by 6 into 1 by 4, 1 by 24. 1 by 6 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 12. See how much? I have got 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. With this 9 symbols I get. Similarly, while doing this, again I get the 9 symbols. And here I get the 9 symbols. Totally for third extension, I will get the 27 symbols. 27 symbols. Okay. I'll write that one. I'll write that one and come back to you. Okay. See, I have been written that extended that. See, x in first stage here it is xx, xz and xy, and xx value is 1 by 6, xz value is 1 by 12, and xy value is 1 by 12. X and again the transition is x, so it is x. Up to here is 1 by 6, 1 by 6 into 1 by 12, answer is 1 by 12. 1 by 6 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 12. Xx into this is transition is z, this is xxz. 1 by 6 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 24. Xxy 1 by 24. Okay. Now this is here, this point is xz. Okay, xzy is there, so that xzx and this is xz xzy. The value of xz is 1 by 12. 1 by 12 into 1 by 4, this is 1 by 48. 1 by 12 into 1 by 2, this is 1 by 24. 1 by 12 into 1 by 4, this is 1 by 48. Similarly, 3 to a transition. See, whatever this 3 to 1 transition you have copied and pasted here. X, Z, Y. See, this order remains same, X, Z, Y. Only their probability will change. Only their probability will change. Okay, xy and again transition is x. Xy the transition is z. Xy the transition is y. The value of xy is 1 by 12. 1 by 12 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 48. 1 by 12 into 1 by 4, 1 by 48. 1 by 12 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 24. Okay, 1 by 24. Here 9, totally 18. And now with this I have to get. Okay, I'll make the pass. I'll write first and I'll come to you. Okay, here I've been written. See this zx. So all the 3 zx. This is zz. All the 3 zz. This is zy. Zy. Okay. See the value zx. Again the transition at this point is zx. Again you have one more transition. So zxx and its value. Okay. Wait a minute. I have entered the values zx and again transition x. See, this is 1 by 12 into 1 by 2, so it becomes 1 by 24. Again zx, and this is z is there, so transition zxz. 1 by 12 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 48. Zx, here y is there, zxy. So this is 1 by 12 into 1 by 4, 1 by 48. Okay, here zz transition is 1 by 6. See here it is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 1 by 4, that is, okay, before that, zz into x, that is zzx. This is 1 by 24. 1 by 6 into 1 by 4, 1 by 24. Zz into zzz. 1 by 6 into 1 by 12. 1 by 2, so it is 1 by 12. Zzy. Okay. 1 by 6 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 6 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 24. Okay, now it is at this point it is zy and the value is 1 by 12 and the value is 1 by 12. Zyx, zyz, zyy. See, at this point it is 1 by 12. 1 by 12 into 1 by 4, so it is 1 by 48. Again this is 1 by 12 into 1 by 4, 1 by 48. 1 by 12 into 1 by 2, so that 1 by 24. Okay, this is the third extension. What have been done? These are all the third extension. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. After that, we have that written here separately all these. Okay. For third extension, the probability of extension of x-axis is 1 by 12, 1 by 4, okay, 1 by 24 and so on. See, for further solution I require, for further thing, for second extension, as I need to solve, so I'll write here only. The probability of x is equal to y is equal to z and its value is 1 by 6. Means 3 I got 1 by 6. And the probability of, other than that, xz is equal to probability of xy is equal to probability of zx is equal to probability of zy is equal to probability of yz is equal to probability of yy is equal to, that is 1 by 12. Means 3 terms I got 1 by 6, 6 terms I got 1 by 12. For further solution I require, so I have written here. Similarly for third extension, I got 1 by 12 1 by 12 2 times and 1 by 12 3 times. Okay. So here 1 by 12, here 1. So means that I have got the probability of occurrence of x, okay, is equal to, so whatever might be, okay, we'll write probability of y, probability is equal to probability of z is equal to 1 by 12. 3 term I got 1 by 12. Okay. 3 term I got 1 by 12. Okay, similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, 12 items I got 1 by 24. 12 items I got 1 by 24. Similarly, 1 by 48, 1 by 48, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 terms I got 1 by 48. Totally 12 1 by 24, 12 1 by 48, 3 1 by 12. Totally we got 27 symbols. 27 symbols. Okay, this is where how we represent the symbols of third extension, symbols of second extension, okay, so on. Okay, now we come to the major problem. Okay, the question what I had been asked. Okay, I'll rub all these things. Okay, please go through this and pause as and when. Please go through the steps what I have taken. I'll rub all this. Okay. Before solving, got some formula on Markov concept. The formula is entropy of each state. Entropy of each state. Entropy of each state is given by Hi is equal to summation for j is equal to 1 to n Pij log 1 upon Pij. This is the formula. Okay. Entropy of the each state is given by this formula. Then entropy of the source is average entropy of each symbol. Entropy of the source. Entropy of the source is nothing but is average entropy of the each state. Is average entropy of each state. Average entropy of each state. It is given by H is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n Pi into Hi. and this can also be written as I is equal to 1 to n pi summation or j is equal to 1 to n pij log 1 upon pij. That is substituting the hi value here. Okay, substituting the hi value here. And average information rate, average information rate, that is RS, for the source is, that is capital RS is equal to small rs into h. See, the units of this are bits per message symbol. Bits per message symbol. This is also same. The bits per message symbol. This is bits per second. Also, we have got the entropy of the extensions. Entropy of the extension, G1 stands for the first extension, G2 stands for the second extension, and G3 stands for the third extension. In generalized, we write Gn is equal to 1 by n summation P of mi log 1 upon P of mi. This can be written as h of s to the power of n, bar n. See, for all value of 5. For the first extension in the previous problem, what has been solving, it will be 1 to 3. For second extension, that will be 9, upper limit will be 9. For third extension, the upper limit will be 27. So meantime, we have to substitute the value of n is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. These are the formula, important formula to be noted to solve the Markov's model. Okay, Markov's model. Okay. First, what is given in the question? What is says that? Okay, in the question is tells that find the entropy of each state. Okay, I write here the formula. Look into that formula. Entropy of each state. Okay, here H. Okay, that is for I is equal to 1 and J is equal to 1 to 3. J is equal to 1 to 3. First, I am solving the entropy of each state. Entropy of each state. The formula I am writing here H, where I consider I is equal to 1, the J is equal to 1 to 3. So H1 summation J is equal to 1 to 3 P1J log 1 upon P1J. This can be written as, putting the value of J is equal to 1, P11 log 1 upon P11 plus P12 log 1 upon P12 plus P13 log 1 upon P13. Okay. Where see here P11, the probability is 1 by 2. P12 1 to 2, that is 1 by 4. 1 to 3, that is also 1 by 4. So I will write here this as 1 by 2 log 1 upon 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 plus 1 by 4 log 1 upon 1 by 4 is nothing but 4 plus 1 by 4 log 1 upon 1 by 4 is 4. And the answer H1 is equal to, answer H1 is equal to 1.5 bits per message symbol 5 bits per message symbol. Similarly, entropy of each state, I got the 3 states are there. H2 is obtained, I is equal to 2 and J varies from 1 to 2. H2 is equal to summation J is equal to 1 to 3. P2J log 1 upon P2J. It can be written as P221 log 1 upon P221 plus P222 log 1 upon P222 plus P223 log 1 upon P223. See, I know that the state from 1 to 2 is 1 by 4 and the same state 2 to 2 is 1 by 2. See this diagram. Okay. For their same state the probability is 1 by 2. Same state the probability is 1 by 2. For other state the probability is 1 by 4. So that this is 1 by 4 log 1 upon 1 by 4, that is nothing but 1 by 2 log 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 log 1 upon 1 by 4. This is nothing but 1 by 4 log, say this is base 2 log 4 plus 1 by 2 log 2. See, all are with respect to base 2 only. 1 by 4 log 4. See, solving this is also S2 is also 1.5 bits per message symbols. Similarly, this H3 directly I am writing. See, I can write the H3, okay, write the formula. J is equal to 1 to 3 P3J plus log 1 upon P3J, that is nothing but P31 log 1 upon P31 plus P32 log 1 upon P32 plus P33 log 1 upon P33. This is also 1.5 bits. H3 is 1.5 bits per message symbol. Same thing, whatever the word same values I am getting, this is also same thing. So as per the given question, to find the entropy of each state, the entropy of the first state H1 is 1.5 bits per second, entropy of second state is also 1.5 bits per second, entropy of third state is also 1.5 bits per second. Okay. Now the entropy of the source. See, entropy of the source, this is the formula. The entropy of the source, this is the formula, it has been given. Okay. See that H is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to 3 PIHI. This can be written as P1H1 plus P2H2 plus P3H3. Okay, P1H1 plus P2H2 plus P3H3. Okay, I'll drop all these and just and I know that P1 is 1 by 3, P2 is also 1 by 3 and P3 is also 1 by 3. H1 just now we found 1.5, H2 is also 1.5, H3 is also 1.5. So H is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by, so 1.5 can be written as 3 by 2. 1.5 can be written as 3 by 2. So 1 by 3 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2. On solving this, H is equal to 1.5 bits per message symbol. H is 1.5 bits per message symbol. Means we have found the second one, second sub question, that is entropy of the source. Entropy of the source. Now we have to find, actually I have rubbed that one, G1 is equal to Gn is equal to 1 by n G1 is equal to 1 by n summation G1 is equal to 1 by n summation I varies from P of Mi log 1 upon P of Mi. That is nothing but H of S bar n, where n represents the extension. You can find that G1, G2, G3 okay. See, n is equal to 1, okay, then small n will become 3. For n is equal to 1, small n become 3. So G1 is equal to 1 by 1, okay, where I varies from 1 to n, okay, 1 to n, okay, P of Mi log 1 upon P of Mi, okay. This is nothing but this is 1 by 3 times the log of 3 plus 1 by 3 times the log of 3 plus 1 by 3 times the log of 3. That is P1, P of I, that indicates that P of I, and the answer is for all these G1 is equal to 1.585 bits per message symbol. Okay, now G2 means 1 by 2. G2 means 1 by 2 summation I is equal to 1 to 9 here, because second extension, that is n square 1 to 9, okay, into P of Mi log 1 upon P of Mi. See, we have solved that earlier. Here I got 1 by 6 probability, 3 1 by 6 probability, and 6 1 by 12 probability. 3 1 by 6 probability and 6 1 by 12 probability. Okay, I'll write this as 1 by 2 is common. This is 3 into 1 by 6 log 6 plus 6 into 1 by 12 log 12. Okay, 6 into 1 by 12 log 12. Solving this, okay, log, okay, totally 9 elements. 3 of them of 1 by 6 probability and 6 of them of 1 by 12 probability. Solving this, we get G2 is equal to 1.5423 bits per message symbol. What is G1? 1.585, G2 1.5423. Okay. See, I use this another one. G3. Okay, G3 formula. G3 is equal to 1 by 3 summation I is equal to 1 to 27 log P of Mi log 1 upon P of Mi. See, 1 by 3 I will take outside. See here how many in the previous I have written that. See how many? 3 of 1 by 12 probability, 12 of 1 by 24 probability, and 12 of 1 by 48 probability. So 3 into 1 by 12 log 12 plus 12 into 1 by 24 log 24 plus 12 into 1 by 48 log 48. On solving this, we get G3 is equal to 1.528 bits per message symbol. See, note down. I'll write all these. What is the value? Okay, I'll write this. What is the value of h? Okay, what is the value of h? We have written that h is 1.5 bits. See, 1.5 bits per message symbol. Right? M-S for message symbol. And what is G1? G1 we have just now found 1.585. 1.585 bits per message symbol. What is G2? Here it is G2 1.5423. G2 1.5423 bits per message symbol. G3 just now I have found, that is 1.528 bits per message symbol. So with this answer, h is less than G3 and this G3 is less than G2 and this G2 is less than G1. Hence the third condition. Okay, hence shown. This was a question asked. Show that G1 greater than G2 greater than G3 greater than H. Okay, see these values and you'll get. Okay, thank you. We'll come with some other problems after.